Hi, this is Melody. Nice to see you. In this video, I am going to show you page 37 of Totally True Book 1. This is still a continuation of Unit 8. Let's now begin answering exercise number 10. Take dictation. Track 17. Here, you'll be given a CD to listen to. You have to tune in your CD into track 17 and follow the direction below. Use your own paper to write the dictation. Check your answers on page 86. When you're done with that, you may now continue to exercise 11. Complete the story. Use the words from the box to complete the story. Listen and repeat. Catch. Engine. Above. Bird. Wind. Sport. Cranes. Let's now answer number 1. Angelo Dirigo is learning to think and fly like a blank. He wants to be a bird, some people say. What do you think is the missing word in number 1? Very good. It's bird. Number 2. In 2002, he flew over Siberia with 6 young blank. What's the missing word in number 2? Correct. It's cranes. Number 3. They followed blank his wings. What's the missing word in number 3? Correct. It's above. Number 4. At night, Dirigo and the birds ate and slept together. In the morning, Dirigo used the small blank on his hang glider to get back into the sky. What's the missing word in number 4? Correct. It's engine. Number 5. He stopped it when the glider began to blank. What's the missing word in number 5? Correct. It's catch. Number 6. Began to catch the blank. What's the missing word in number 6? Very good. It's wind. And 7. The man loves his blank, but more importantly, his birds. What's the missing word in number 7? Very good. Sport. Alright, you did well. Now this time, let's read the story aloud. Raja and Nepal. Angelo Dirigo is learning to think and fly like a bird. He wants to be a bird, some people say. The Italian man often flies with birds in his hang glider. In 2002, he flew over Siberia with 6 young cranes. The beautiful birds are endangered, and they were learning to fly to a new winter home. Like a father, Dirigo flew under the cranes. They followed above his wings. At night, Dirigo and the birds ate and slept together. In the morning, Dirigo used the small engine on his hang glider to get back into the sky. He stopped it when the glider began to catch the wind. Together, the 7 birds traveled 1,500 kilometers. In 2004, Dirigo flew over Mount Everest with an eagle. The man loves his sport, but more importantly, his birds. Okay, now let's take a look at some of the expressions here that are not familiar to you. The first one is hang glider. Hang glider means something like a kite that someone can hang from. And the other one is endangered. Endangered means when an animal is endangered, there are not many alive. Okay, Let's move on to the next exercise. Talk about the stories. Imagine that you and a partner are Felix Baumgartner and Angelo D'Erico. You're meeting for the first time. Tell each other about your adventures. So here, you're going to make a dialogue and you will pretend that you and your friend are Felix Baumgartner and Angelo D'Erico, and you have to talk about your recent adventures. Alright? This is the end of this video. Thank you very much for joining with me. This is Melody, and I am encouraging you to study with us here at camglish.com. And let us help you improve your communication skills in English. See you in our next video. Bye!